Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank episode number 16. The Hoverboard Special. That's pretty much what we're going to do this whole episode. We're just going to do hoverboard races. So this probably will be a short one. Maybe. We'll see. Possibly. Could be. Hoverboard Special. Oh, well, that's how you start the... Oh my god. Oh god. Well, that's how you started out. All right, let's try that again. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Oh my god. Oh, what the hell I was doing? I was just trying to jump off and I just didn't. There we go. Look at that. That's all you gotta do. Okay. Let's do this now. In a rig. This is not even difficult. I'm just making it difficult. Fuck! I make this game so much more difficult than it needs to be. Come on. Let's go. Come on, come on. I'm not even going to include any of this, so it probably doesn't even really matter, but let's go. Go. Get it. There we go. Third place. Get to second. Let's go. Get it? Yes. Okay. There we go. Alright. Get in the first. Let's go. Yeah, you little fuck. That's what you get. Still got past somehow. Don't fucking believe it. There we go. There we go. This one down here. Get the big one. Yes. This one's on the outside. Middle. Okay. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah, there you go.
Folks, Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers,
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look! That's us!
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you, and have a Quark-tastic day.
Alright. We got a Zoomerator. That only took, that was my first, I only took one attempt. I mean, I'm just so good. It only took me one try to do it. Alright, well let's, no really, it took like about 5. You probably just witnessed some kind of montage or something that I put together. Yeah, it took a while. And I got kind of mad. I don't like to lose. I'm not a big fan of the losing kind of. Get a little passionate about races. Alright, let's go on to the next planet. Alright, no, it was this one, yeah. Because we gotta win the hoverboard race. Yep. So yeah, kinda embarrassed that race right there I could have done when I first got to the planet. And then I could have met Skidman Marks when I first got to the planet, so it's kind of bad that I didn't. Alright, let's go ahead and get on back there. So today is a day that I have off from work, so we are going to get this game complete. After that, I'm going to be playing pretty much nothing but Batman, trying to finish that one up as well. I'm going to try to finish my series up so I can move on to the new ones today. Well, I might not finish Batman up, but I'm going to damn sure try. I'm not spending any of my bolts. I do have to get that testicle out. Okay. Let's go win this hoverboard race. Alright, let's try this again. That was crazy. Go, 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 go. I can actually hang with these guys this time. I did it again! That's the exact same thing I did the last time. And I did it again. Alright. Try to land up. There we go. This one. Alright, let's not jump early on these TNT crates. There you go. Alright, take you out. Whoop. And now we fly. Alright, this one. Not even gonna mess with it, just try to hit all the boosters. There we go. Starting to get this course down a little bit. I'm not sure what the point is of doing that is, but I'm gonna try to do it every time. I think I guess bonus points or something. Go, go, go! Not hit those this time. Oh, shit. Jump too high. I gotta go low road then. Shit. I ain't even gonna try to play around with that. Go, 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 go. Come on, catch him. Catch him. Oh. Okay. Got him. Woohoo! First place. Alright, let's not screw it up, guys. Come on. Alright. And I screwed it up already. Screwed it up already. Alright. Now I'm gonna get past. God damn it. Missed all of the boost. All of it. Fuck. Now I gotta go low again. Alright, come on. We're still okay. We're still alright. Okay, got that. Don't even bother with going up top. Alright, go, go, go. Go straight. Yes. Hit it. Yes. Alright. This is where I make my speed boost here. There you go. And I got it.
That was terrific! Now I just needed to say a few words about our hot new boards.
Huh? Now?
Of course. Just look into that camera right over there and say what comes naturally. Rolling!
Hi. This is Ratchet for, Gadgetron Hoverboards. And if you,
Yo, dudes, for the freshest boards in the galaxy, check out the new XZ88 from Gadgetron. It's so hot, it's cool.
I think I got the wrong guy. That was something.
Hey, I was thinking, do I get a discount on gadgets now?
You have to be with the company for 2 years before the employee discount kicks in. I can, however, let you have this.
The Gadgetron Hologuise is the perfect infiltration device for all our non-robot customers. Simply equip the device and press the circle button. You will instantly be disguised as a SentryBot, preventing detection by all SentryBot security systems. Press the circle button again to wave at fellow SentryBots, who will then deactivate force fields for you. Caution, use of any weapon while disguised will deactivate the Hologuise.
Sweet! So we got the Hologuise. Which we're not going to use right now, but I need to put it on my bar, so let's go ahead and put it on there. We'll take that one off. Alright, and let's get on out of here. Let's head back to the factory planet. Let's do this! So I'm just going to destroy these guys out in the front. Jeez, that was brutal. How's it going, everybody? I'm just a robot. Hello. Thank you. How's it going? Bye-bye. Oh, okay. Well, I need to use... I gotta jump. Ah, ha, ha. If only this would work in real life. No, you didn't see me. Shit. Nope, no, 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 no. Get back here. Oh, oh. Alright, we'll just die. We'll start over. Boom. Absolutely destroyed. Alright, let's get the hollow guys back out. Make sure there's no one around here. Okay. It's a really cool level. I really like this one. This little stage. It's just something different. I love their tried and true formula Ratchet and Clank when they put together, but I like when they try to mix it up a little bit. Okay. Hey everybody, I'm just a robot. Can I jump? Nope. Alright. Glove of Doom. That's what we're gonna have to do. Gotta make it quick. Excuse me. Hey buddy, how you doing? Oh, bye-bye. Oh. Supposed to do that I don't. Oh, okay, I can just shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy to the bungle down. Yeah. Alright, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, stop. Go back. There you go. Alright, now go. Alright, let's get the robot guys out. Alright.
You will have to destroy those sentry bots. Make sure.
Hey buddy, how you doing? Thanks. You guys are the best. But now, I have to kill you. No, no, turn it off, turn it off, no, no, off. Off, I'm a robot. I'm a robot. Oh. I'm just your everyday robot. Don't hurt me. Excuse this because I don't know what's coming through this next door. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the Devastator out for these guys. Goodbye. Whee! I really like this level. This is like, this might be my favorite. I don't know necessarily it's 100% my favorite, but it might be. It's pretty close. Hey, what's up, buddy? How would you like a fresh rocket in the face? Ugh. Oh, got them both. Alright, here's a little platforming. Jump. And there we go. Alright. Keep it moving here. Getting close to that Tesla coil. Oh, there we go. Did it. Oh, he's there! Whee! Let's go. Oh, we gotta do that rocket booster thing that I don't really remember how to do. Well, we'll do it anyways. Oh, hold on. Make sure to get this last crate. Gotta get all the bolts. Oh, I did it. Nice. Is there anything even in these two? Oh yeah, there's stuff in here. Let's get some more bolts so I can get that. I want that Tesla coil so bad. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Nature kind of called there. Oh, they're building gigantic robots back up in here. That's for sure. Whee! Okay, let's keep it moving. Pop, pop. Ah, there. Shit. Shit balls. I gotta remember. Keep the robot disguise on. Hey buddy, how you doing? Don't worry, I'm not related to that other guy that just came in here. Not at all. Hey. Can you let me in? Hello? Thank you. Goodbye. Oh, such an asshole.
That should do it.
Mom?
Oh, brother.
I tried, Mom. I know.
Hey, look! A sister!
My fellow blog, our synthetic world is now fully functional and ready for habitation. However, there is one small obstacle in our way. This pathetic lump of a planet. Due to some blunder of fate, it happens to occupy the galaxy's most perfect orbit. But no more. Behold, the Deplanetizer, the most powerful laser ever created. Soon, we'll move the Deplanetizer into place just above the planet's surface. I will, of course, be on hand to press the button that will blow this mudball to smithereens. No one will even miss it. See you then.
Ratchet, are you all right?
He is going to pay!
Excuse me?
It shouldn't have taken me this long to see it! Drek is going to find out what happens when you mess with my home. What are you smiling at?
This is the Ratchet I always knew was there.
Okay, if we're gonna do this, we need to get onto Drek's ship. And then we can find out where he set up that laser.
I will try to make you proud, Mom.
Oh, that's adorable. But yeah, let's go take down Drek, man. Had enough of this nonsense. Okay, go down this, down a slide. Another thing I really enjoy about these kind of games is when you reach the end of a level, they make a nice little cool way to get back to where you began. So either jumping off like a huge cliff, or sliding down slides, or just, you know, they always make the end very close to the beginning, so you don't have to run all the way across the map. Okay, let's get on the flight. Alright. Heading up to Drek's fleet. Alright. And of course, this is where we're going to stop, guys. We'll pick it back up in the next episode. We're getting very, very close to the end.